Figured I'd do a quick video of the soldering iron that I used for the repair on that radio. It's a Weller 8200N. It's 100 and 140 watts. It's got a recent tip on it. It's from probably in the 60s itself. It's my dad's, so I don't think he knows how old it is. It looks like the sticker on the back is faded, or there was nothing there. Anyway, it works good. And one nice feature it has is the light on it. And I just wanted to show a video technique I used. I hooked it up to the TV on top of my computer monitor so I could see what I'm doing without having to look at the camera.